guys, it's Charlotte, and you're probably wondering, why does my face look so bare? Why do I look like a baby? That is because I don't have mascara on, and today's video I'm actually going to take you guys along to get my lashes lifted and tinted. So being blonde also comes with having super fine hair and super light eyebrows and eyelashes, and I used to get lash extensions for a long time, but they end up just being too expensive and you have to come in like every 4 weeks. So with getting your lashes lifted and tinted a darker color, I'm probably gonna get like the darkest black there is. It lasts for I think either 6 or 8 to 12 weeks. So like 6 to 12 weeks or 8 to 12 weeks, which is a long time. So I'm really excited. Yeah, and I'm going to take you guys along with me to the salon today. So these are my natural lashes without anything done to them. And sorry for this awful angle, but bear with me. They are semi-straight and very blonde. So first step is tinting the lashes, and I requested the darkest black that they had because for me mascara is like my most favorite thing. So yeah, they are just soaking in the dye. Guys, so I have got the lash tint done already, and I've got lash tint done once before on my eyelashes, but this time it looks so good and so dramatic, and we haven't even done the lash lift yet and it's looking beautiful. So I'm very excited. Yes, it's making me feel good. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated right now, just on the spa bed. Step 2 is now the lash lift, and it's funny because they look like so lifted here, but when I was like in the chair, like how I was feeling right there, it didn't feel like the lashes were being pushed upwards. It just felt like very comfortable. So it's cool to me to see this footage because it didn't really feel uncomfortable or like they were being pulled at all, but you can see it was doing its job. Hey guys, so I'm about to show you the after. Here we are. This is with both the lash tint and the lash lift, and it is so beautiful. Literally, I am in love with it. It looks so pretty, and it looks like when I have my lash extensions, except it's my real eyelashes, and I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. I feel like a Barbie. It's so cute. But yeah, so this is my experience of me getting my lashes tinted and lifted for the first time. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch. I think it's really gorgeous, and I definitely would get it done again, and it lasts for so long, so that's really wonderful, and I'm really excited. So yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you've ever gotten anything done to your eyelashes, or if you think you will after watching this video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye! And I also want to say thank you to my friend Ashley for suggesting Spa Natural to me, because she actually started working there, and sadly she wasn't able to do the lash lift and lash tint, but I love the results, and I'm so happy to have found this spa because yes guys, I love the results. So make sure to go give her a follow and also give Spa Natural a follow. If you're wondering where I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, so if you're nearby, I would definitely recommend them.